My name is Haley Elliott, and I'm a pre-sales solutions consultant for Workday Adaptive Planning here at Revelwood. Incorporating the requirements of ASC 606 revenue recognition into your forecast requires a fine-tuned, easy-to-use way to manage a variety of variables, such as assumptions for risk associated with financing, renewals, and churn, accounting for attached services, and keeping internal data in sync with your short-term and long-term budget or forecast data. Workday Adaptive Planning allows subscription-based SaaS companies to account for ASC 606 regulations in a centralized location with powerful visuals, giving you increased accuracy and insight into your revenue forecast. Today, we'll take a quick look at just one way a SaaS company might use Workday Adaptive Planning's flexible models and active dashboarding capabilities to model out ASC 606 revenue recognition. Let's start with a quick look at the models supporting the metrics we see here on this dashboard. On top of a pipeline sheet used to track CRM data from sources like Salesforce or HubSpot, we've created two models to key in the main assumptions for 606 modeling, namely the bookings mix by our market segments, which can be manually keyed in or calculated based on the actual booking mix from our closed-won deals, as well as expected churn and the expected % breakdown of contract terms for our long-term new business targets that may not yet be accounted for by our short-term CRM pipeline. Expanding the total revenue model on the right, we'll see a total revenue sheet to summarize the output from our CRM data and long-range assumptions. Starting at the top, we'll see total bookings for both hunters, or our new business based on CRM data, and farmers, or our renewals and projected upsells. The next set of calculations is based on those high-level new business targets we've set for the financial year and the % breakdown of those different contracts, so we're able to track renewals instead of dropping revenue after the initial contract period ends. Our bookings mix calculates two final numbers: the revenue for perpetual and maintenance contracts that do not need to be amortized, and our subscription revenue, not yet broken down based on ASC 606 guidelines. The bottom two sections of this model are where we see the subscription waterfall come together by applying an expected term to the subscription bookings mix and amortizing that dollar amount over 6, 12, 24, 36, and 48 months. As you can see to the left in green, we can also leverage actuals to calculate our expected contract terms based on closed-won deals from our CRM data. Lastly, we've pulled these models onto a dashboard for two reasons. First, to gain an easy visual of our subscription waterfall and additional drill down capabilities into contract length, service type, or market segment. Second, by bringing models directly onto our ASC 606 dashboard, we're able to make changes to any of our underlying assumptions, such as booking mix or churn, and immediately notice all of our dials refreshed to reflect any new scenario. In just a few brief minutes, we've taken a look at how Workday Adaptive Planning's modeling and dashboard capabilities can be expanded to fine-tune your revenue forecast based on ASC 606 revenue recognition guidelines.